A diesel engine is an internal combustion engine that operates on diesel fuel. It works based on the principle of the diesel cycle, which involves 4 strokes: intake, compression, power, and exhaust. Let's break down how a diesel engine works. 1. Intake stroke. During the intake stroke, the engine's intake valve opens, and the piston moves downward. As it moves down, air is drawn into the cylinder from the surroundings. 2. Compression stroke. Once the intake stroke is complete, the intake valve closes, and the piston starts moving back up the cylinder. As the piston moves up, it compresses the air that was drawn in during the intake stroke. The temperature and pressure of the air increase significantly during compression. 3. Power stroke. At the top of the compression stroke, the diesel fuel is injected directly into the highly compressed hot air. The heat generated by the compressed air causes the diesel fuel to ignite spontaneously. Unlike a gasoline engine, which uses spark plugs to ignite the fuel, a diesel engine relies on the high temperature of the compressed air to ignite the fuel. This rapid combustion creates a high-pressure gas, which forces the piston down the cylinder. The downward movement of the piston is what generates the power in a diesel engine. 4. Exhaust stroke. After the power stroke, the exhaust valve opens, and the piston moves back up the cylinder once again. This upward movement pushes the exhaust gases produced during the power stroke out of the cylinder and into the exhaust system. 5. Repeating the cycle. The 4 strokes, intake, compression, power, and exhaust, constitute one complete cycle. After the exhaust stroke, the piston returns to the top of the cylinder, and the process repeats as long as the engine is running. Diesel engine advantages. Diesel engines are generally more fuel efficient than gasoline engines because they operate at higher compression ratios. They produce higher torque, making them well suited for heavy-duty applications like trucks and industrial machinery. Diesel fuel has a higher energy density than gasoline, which means it contains more energy per unit volume. Diesel engine disadvantages. Diesel engines tend to produce more nitrogen oxides, NOx, and particulate matter, contributing to air pollution. They can be noisier and emit more vibrations compared to gasoline engines. Diesel engines often have a higher initial cost and require more regular maintenance. Despite these disadvantages, diesel engines are widely used in various applications, especially in heavy-duty vehicles, locomotives, ships, and industrial equipment, where their efficiency and high torque output are significant advantages. Advances in technology have also led to cleaner and more efficient diesel engines that comply with stricter emission standards.